Hello, my name is Ngozi Okorafor. I'm Policy Advisor with the Office of the Governor, Bruce Rauner. Today I will be talking about retaliation and whistleblowing, awareness, perception, and what to look for in the workplace. So you might be wondering, what is retaliation and what is whistleblowing? Both are very similar under federal and state law. They require a protected activity, an adverse action by an employer or some entity to that activity, as well as a causal link. Those three elements are required to establish retaliation under federal and state law. So how do you prevent retaliation and whistleblowing in the workplace? I recommend 8 steps. Number 1, adopt a whistleblowing, anti-retaliation policy statement in the workplace. Make sure you receive buy-in from your legal counsel, management, rank and file employees. Everyone is made aware of this policy. An acknowledgement form stating that they are aware of this policy is also preferred. Second, try to incorporate whistleblowing and anti-retaliation language in all of your personnel documents. Therefore, all employees will become accustomed to such language in all of the documents. Number 3, regularly update your personnel information, your policy information, and engage managers and supervisors and make them aware of these updates. The law is always changing in the labor and employment area, so make sure that your documents and your policies are updated. When you do, number 4, when you do encounter alleged or allegations of retaliation, respond to them quickly. Make sure you bring in the supervisors, managers, the actual employee involved in the allegations of retaliation, and try to resolve the issue quickly and fairly. Number 5, just so everyone is aware, retaliation is one of the growing areas in employment discrimination in labor law and unlawful discrimination generally, both at the state and federal level. Because of that, I highly recommend that you use the same methodology that you would use to investigate any other charge of discrimination or unlawful discrimination in the workplace as you do for retaliation and whistleblowing. That methodology should be number 6, consistent. Consistency is the key to surviving allegations of retaliation. If you apply the same and uniform approach as you do with other charges of discrimination or other disruptions in the workplace, more than likely you will be able to resolve the allegations of retaliations as quickly as possible. Number 7, do not allow fear or apprehension of claims of retaliation or whistleblowing to get in the way of you discharging your duties, especially supervisors and managers. You need to treat all of your employees fairly and consistently, but you need to do your job. So if you allow these purported fear or apprehension of retaliation to get in the way of doing your job, you're doing a disservice to your employer. And number 8, documentation. Document everything. If you believe you have a problem employee, or as an employee, you believe you have a problem supervisor or manager, document all the occurrences, interactions, facts that occur between you and that person. Therefore, at the end or the beginning of an investigation, you'll have written proof that documents what transpired during your interactions. For more information on retaliation and whistleblowing in the workplace, awareness, perception, and prevention, please view my full presentation recorded during the 5th Annual Minority Bar Conference, available in the ISBA online CLE archive.